Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria, and our latinx music for today is going to be on the country of Panama. So if you're not familiar, it is the southernmost country in Central America. It's bordered by Costa Rica on one side, Colombia on the other, the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean on the other side. And if you know a little bit about history and geography, you know about the Panama Canal. It's a series of canals that actually cut through the country and connected the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean, which revolutionized trade by ships, which saved so much time cutting across to the other ocean without having to maneuver all the way around the southern tip of South America. And then up until the year 2000, the Panama Canal Zone was actually controlled by the U.S. And this actually adds to the uniqueness of Panama because of the worldwide trade there. There's such a strong influence from other cultures there, especially the United States because of its presence there till the year 2000. Because in the year 2000, the U.S. gave back control of the canal to Panama. So if you are ever interacting with a Panameño, if you go visit or work or live there, you'll see the strong influence from the United States there. You'll see it. I can give you an example of Panamanian slang. You'll see a lot of words that sound very Spanglish, but they're part of Panamanian slang, like tripear, which is tripping, ta cool, which is like that's cool, or pretty when you start saying something's pretty. So it's a unique aspect to the country. So Millennial Loteria time. So the next card that I picked is El Brunch. El Brunch, y'all. So the next card is El Brunch. If you have it on your board, mark it, please. And then in the comments, share with us your favorite brunch spots. So it's always good to know, even in quarantine, even in social physical distancing, we want to know, we want to support local businesses as well. So, okay, ciao.